Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at our data frame. So alright, we've learned about the head method, we learned about the info method. Now let's look at our, let's get right here. Now we're going to learn about, let's just think about head, the top. Now let's think about the tail, the bottom. So, first of all, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. What we do on this channel is we do one topic at a time, and we maybe two, but they will always be interlinked. So, if you have not seen our Pandas tutorials, you can go ahead and search for those, or click right here, and I'll put the playlist there. So alright, with our data frame, here's everything, and we know about the info, and we know about the head default, and it defaults to 5 rows. So head, boom, 5. Now guess what? HI tail defaults to 5 as well, and it will be the last 5 of your data frame. And if you just wanted to see the last one, didn't care about anything else, boom. And as we see right here, as we've gone over, we type slowly, I type correctly, there we go, in 5. And we couldn't even run help on our tail, and boom, we get all our awesome documentation in default 5. That's how we know how things default. Method, panda, core frame, data frame, instance, last in rows 5. So awesome little tool, and it is super handy in case you just need to grab a snippet and look at it and go from there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Real quick video today. Got some feedback a couple comments ago. We're going to talk about it next video because, like I've said, this is your channel. I want you to have what you need. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.